today we're having a Father's Day car review today. Paul here.
Matt here.
Rosalie here. And today we're going to be doing an overview of these cars. We have the F1 McLaren car. We have a huge Technic Ferrari. And we have the little Ferrari that comes with the Technic Ferrari. Passing it over to Matt.
Super fun build here on the Ferrari. Really like these tires. If you get a close up, they're really, really good in terms of the quality. The car moves, so that's fun. And then on top, it can move and turn the wheels. It also moves the steering wheel. So really, really fun build here. If we take this piece off, you can get a really good view of how cool this engine is, and that as you drive it, the engine actually moves, which is really cool. So this is a really hard build for me. This is my first Technic, but a lot of fun. And I love Ferrari. I love that team. Charles Leclerc, Lewis Hamilton. We hope they win this week.
And now we have a special surprise for you.
No way! You got me this? Book Nook! Thanks, Paul.
You're welcome. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.